Welcome to Science Kiddo. Today we are going to do a fun experiment where we're going to blow up a balloon magically without blowing into it. Okay, so this is going to be fun. So we have
the yeast.
Yep, we have yeast. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of yeast. So 2 of those.
Okay. I know. That much?
Good. That's perfect. Here's 1. Perfect. There's 2. Okay, there's 2 tablespoons of yeast. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Oh.
So yeast is a microbe that is essential for when you make bread, to make the bread rise. Here's the sugar. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. You don't want the water to be too hot or it'll kill the yeast.
Okay.
Here's 1.
2, you say?
Yep. Oh, that's not quite a full tablespoon. Why don't you do 1 more? Make sure you get a full tablespoon. So yeast will...
Was that a full tablespoon?
No. Here, let me help you. I'm kind of tip the glass. There you go. That'll work. So yeast likes to eat sugar or honey. And it likes when it's wet and warm. Okay, go ahead and stir that up. Stir it up a little more, make sure all the yeast is wet. So it can't do anything until it's wet.
No. Is that good?
I think that's great. Okay, so now we're gonna pour our yeast mixture. What does it smell like, Tommy?
It smells like yeast.
Like yeast?
Smell it, Mom.
Yep, it smells like bread, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We are gonna pour it in here, in this glass bottle.
This is for part is gonna be even longer.
That's okay. Take your time. I wonder if we need a little more water. Here. Yeah, that's not flowing very well. Let's add, why don't we just add just a little more. Okay, there we go. Let's stir it up.
We're starting.
Yeah. We want it to be able to flow into our bottle, so. There. Oh, did you get splashed? Okay. Good. Okay, go ahead and pour it into our bottle there.
Let's pour it.
Yep. Oh, that's okay. It's alright. We'll clean that up. Just pour it a little slower. It's okay. That's why we have paper towels. Just a little slower. Okay, we gotta stretch the balloon over the mouth here.
Okay.
There we go. Is that on? Okay, and now we'll put it in some warm water so that it stays warm. When you're making bread or something, you want it to be in a nice warm place in the house. Okay, and then we're gonna leave it for a few minutes and we'll see what happens to this flimsy balloon. Okay, Tommy, what's happening?
It's filling up.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What's it filling up with?
Carbon dioxide.
That's right.